Evan I gotta give this a try. Alright, what's up YouTube? As you've seen from the preview, I was watching Instagram and I saw Evan Naka, another one of his videos where he creates a product ad where a product is floating and the actual product inside the packaging is actually bursting behind the packaging. And I thought today, why not try to recreate that? And that's exactly what I am going to do. As you can see here, I have Cheez-Its, red backdrop, bigger box of Cheez-Its. I am shooting, as always, with the lantern on the Godox SL 60 watt. Two of these, one with the lantern, one with no diffusion whatsoever. Double mounted, dual mounted, yes. And I have the Nikon Z7 suspended above on a C-stand with the Tether Tools 15-foot cable, I believe. And the Cheez-It box is taped like this on another C-stand, and we'll just remove the actual pole and post. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to set you down and I'm going to pour the Cheez-Its on this, and I'm going to try to hit it and get a magnificent shot. And I gotta stay out the way because the shadows, that's why I'm shooting on the remote too. And I can also see what I'm shooting via the MacBook. So I am going to get down right here. Turn this around so I can see. And I am going to get down like so. And 3, 2, 1. This is actually harder than it looks. Actually, no, hold on. Oh my God, oh goodness. Yo, I gotta do this again. I'll put the, look, this is the first result right here. I have to get a better shot. This is freaking insane. All right. One thing about this is that you're always going to make a mess. So what we're gonna do is gonna pull our suspended backdrop back out. And we're gonna recenter this like so. Let's try to get to the live view and try to get our product directly centered over it. So I think right here will be okay. And moving this will also be okay. I think right there is perfect. And what I don't like right now is how this C-stand is casting a nasty, nasty shadow. Alright, now that we are back, I've got everything remounted. I'm just kind of resetting the Cheez-Its in the middle. So when I push up underneath, that they pop up nice and evenly. For camera settings, I am shooting on the Nikon Z7 at f8. with an ISO of 16,000. I know it's high, but since I'm not using strobes because I hate strobes, yeah, it was the best option. And shutter speed at 1/1000. So I'm gonna get back down here and we're gonna do this again. 3, 2, 1. I made a mess, a huge mess, a very big mess. All right, as you can see, I made a complete mess of my kitchen / living room. Oh my goodness, I gotta clean this up. To see the results, please check out my Instagram page at Lenswork, link in the bio, or I'm sorry, link in the description. And as always, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And until the next video, peace.